आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत और इंडियन पैनोरामा इज ओपन फॉर ऑल।
It's about time when we started looking at different aspects of our history, our past, from other prisms than what have been showed to us. So this is my attempt to highlight the armed struggle that also was a part of our freedom struggle, and which was brushed under the carpet. And I try and tell this story through the life of Mr. Savarkar, who, in my opinion, was one of the greatest freedom fighters this country has ever seen. And his legacy, I hope it lives on, and I hope through this movie I'm able to enlighten you with the more personal and political aspects of those times. A man is a result of the circumstances that he is in.
I have always been a proponent of indie cinema, and that's what I love doing. That's where my heart lies. So yeah, we made the film in a very extremely scrappy way, but it was a great experience. It was a great crew, and the people of Ladakh are extremely friendly and extremely helpful. Yeah, it was all in all a great experience, and I would like to thank IFFI for giving us a platform to bring our story forward, and thank you so much.